What happens to your body when you switch to red rice? So what's the real difference, and what actually happens in your body when you replace regular white rice with red rice? Let's take a closer look. Many people think it's just a different color, but the impact on your health is far more significant. 7 key changes. First, you'll stop feeling hungry right after eating. Why? Regular white rice causes a rapid spike in blood sugar, followed by a crash that triggers intense cravings. Red rice is digested much more slowly. You feel satisfied with a smaller portion and stay full much longer. Second, your stomach will start to deflate. Red rice contains several times more fiber. It doesn't just support digestion, it acts like a gentle detox for your gut, helping reduce bloating and sluggishness. Third, morning stiffness and heaviness begin to fade. The red pigment in the outer layer is a powerful natural anti-inflammatory. If you've been feeling stiffness or overall heaviness in your body over time, you'll notice it becomes easier to move. Fourth, clearer skin and a natural, healthy glow. Skin issues are often linked to elevated insulin and blood sugar levels. When you cut out high glycemic index foods like white rice and replace them with red rice, your skin begins to clear and look healthier. Fifth, a calming dinner. It may sound surprising, but red rice contains a natural anti-stress compound, GABA. Instead of feeling heavy or sleepy, you'll experience a sense of calm and better focus. It's an excellent choice for anyone dealing with anxiety or sleep issues. Sixth, your liver will thank you. Red rice helps the body reduce excess fat that can accumulate in the liver. If you carry extra weight around your waist, it may be an early sign that it's time to swap white rice for red. Seventh, heart protection. The outer layer of red rice acts like a natural shield for your blood vessels. It helps maintain healthy cholesterol levels and protects your arteries from damage, which becomes especially important after the age of 45. How not to ruin the results. But there's one important detail. To get the maximum benefit from red rice, you need to prepare it properly. Soak it first, ideally overnight or for 8 to 12 hours. This helps neutralize compounds that can interfere with mineral absorption. The real proof of red rice's benefits is how you feel. Try replacing white rice with red rice for at least 2 weeks, and you'll notice the difference, both in the mirror and on the scale. And if you want to take it further, I have a video on my channel with an amazing red rice recipe. Definitely give it a try.